Hello, beautiful souls. Go on a nature walk, especially during this time, is because there's a huge amount of people that are under the influence of the matrix. The veil has completely thinned, and wherever you're going, you're feeling this heavy, stagnant, low frequency energy. So, in order to recharge, it's important to go out and ground. Get yourself out in nature. Don't be afraid. Take those shoes off and get your feet in the soil. Connect with the earth so that you can feel replenished. Oftentimes, we are running low on energy. We're running on E. As chosen ones or children of God, even you can consider yourself an empath. You're someone that you spiritually are very heightened, you're spiritually aware, and you pick up on energy easily. When you're out and about, just people that you may find yourself in proximity with, if they're so immersed in the matrix. So when I mention matrix, that is just being within this world, and they're consuming all of this propaganda. They have like a very parasitic type of energy that radiates off of them. And so for most chosen ones, solitude is something that you may prefer. However, if you're in a situations where you may not be able to have the access to having the solitude or the privacy, find small times in your day where you can actually just go out in nature. It doesn't have to be something that you have to invest in. You can literally go out your door and find some little spot where you can actually connect with earth, connect with source, the most high, and allow yourself to be replenished through these natural elements, through the sun, through the energy that is coming off of water. Definitely getting near a natural body of water, because these things are healing, especially with barefooting. It's going to be anti-aging, it's going to heal your blood and all aspects of your systems in your body. So take care of yourself and continue loving yourself.